type. You got someone else on your mind. Call your boyfriend, playing this song, telling me did nothing wrong. You just decided you prefer
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application.
I'm scared. I know I'm scared for you. Fine. I don't want to hurt myself.
I'm gonna try after you.
From here.
Is that gonna move? Like,
Yeah,
is it like really tipply? Is that a word?
Tipply voice.
Oh damn!
Love that.
It's pretty sturdy.
You're like a leaning tower pizza. All right, let me try run up and get it.
Go do it for my vlog.
Okay.
Go.
I'll do it for you, Caitlin.
Good one.
Legs up.
I feel like I can do it, but like I just keep getting scared.
I'll try again. I'll do it again if I have to.
You actually.
I kind of want to try again.
Okay, try. I'll film. Up you go!
Oh, you were actually
Oh my
close.
God.
This reminds me of like high jump.
I know.
When you're trying to like jump.
What?
That hurt.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Where?
I hit my toe and here. It's like I'm gonna have carpet burn now.
Oh my god, that was unsuccessful.
But did it look like I almost
It
got
looked
it?
like you did. No.
Okay.
Did it feel like it?
Look at my knees.
Oh my god,
Maybe not.
it was worth it.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes.
Hello.
Let's clock out, you and me.
Oh damn,
How
how do you do that? I don't know.
Wait, I want to
like, this
take
is
a boomerang,
fun.
so like of you guys, so it doesn't look like I'm a learner.
Oh, like with your brother?
Yeah.
Wait,
what?
What are we
He
doing?
always goes out with her brother.
Oh yeah, I do.
Go out.
Yeah, like, I was like, where are you? Who are you with? He's like, Hayden.
I know.
Okay, when you grow up, your siblings start to become your best friend.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
It's really bad.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to
Did I turn?
know
Is it okay?
short-term friends. Only
Huh?
That is cute.
Put it on our story.
I didn't know it was a
I want to
boomerang.
see. Look at that.
Wait, I want a boomerang here.
around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall. When we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall.
Did you hear a snake?
No, I don't know. I heard something too.
Cute little cliff. Go with some puppies. Can we swim? Can we get to?
We'll walk down. We'll walk down.
Okay. We just walked down a small path, so we don't know if we can get to the beach from here. Are these called like rabbit's tails or something?
Oh, they're literally what I picked. Yeah, they're so cool.
They don't want to walk with me to see if it's actually goes to the beach, because it's kind of just a, I don't know what you call it, it's got a wall, so I don't know if it cuts off from the beach or not, but they're not walking with me, I don't think. I think they're, I'm just gonna check. Can't tell if these shoes are ugly or cute either. Cliff and then the wall. Oh, beach house. Oh my god, I was so far up. Yeah, like the beach is all the way over there, but I don't know if you can walk to it from here. I'll see in a minute. They're up there somewhere. I was right and it wrapped around, and I'm just waiting for them to get back.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends.
We've left the beach now. The water's really cold, so I didn't really go in. Helen went in.
Hello. Huh? What did you say?
The beach is really cold, like the water. You went in, but I didn't, because Melbourne's weather kind of sucks in that way. Like, it's not consistent enough to heat up the ocean. And the water's freezing, and it's like 40 degrees out almost. Hello, she's filming me. I look so bad now. Oh no. Shit, this is quite the hike back. This was so much easier on the way down.
Best way to spend a day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can couple.
Your boyfriend telling me he's fine. He's just no longer your type. You got someone else, I know.